What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lion Mac TV. Mac here with another exciting, delighting, and much interesting video here on the channel. Well, the RickRoss Rich Forever concert / Davido concert in Lagos, Nigeria was nothing short of excitement, and it had not just RickRoss and Davido. We had a whole lot of Nigerian actors who actually performed at the show last night. From the list is endless. Mayor Kong, Patoranking, Tiwa Savage, Pokoli, RickRoss, Davido, name it. Like the list was just too endless, and all of them I will be sharing with you the highlights here on this video. You all know we mostly do highlights of shows, events, concerts, parties happening around celebrities. Yes, things you hardly see on the other side of the internet. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Don't forget to share your best RickRoss lyrics here in the video. Enjoy that. Bow.
This motherfucker wanna be rich. I wanna be rich, nigga. Let's go. That's how we do it. Let's go. Lights so short. Fuck it. Fuck it. I got a bunch of brothers on here. Fuck it. I'm gonna run for the fight. Boss is not what I say. Believe me, boss is what I comes to.
if you have watched the video to this extent, trust me, you're my MVP here, and I'm not joking with you at this moment. Well, it's always not so easy to accommodate Nigerian African accommodating American sound, especially for rich actors like this who are not mostly making money off music. Like they feel like their time is gone. Yes, you know, a lot of people keep saying that, but I want you to, you know, drop that in a comment in the comment section if you're still a good RickRoss fan. Which one of your favorite lyrics of any of the song? Just drop that in the comment section and let's get to that. Anyway, I'll be the first to do that. I'm going to drop my favorite RickRoss lyric songs in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys on my next video.